Good morning, everyone. Cheryl Ann here. This morning, I thought I would do a little tutorial about how I make and use handmade pockets in my journals. Not so much snippet rolls. This one is fairly long. It's 18 inches, and I haven't stitched down the fabric yet, which I will do, and then I will put on some lace and put on some trim. I love this eyelash trim. And then there's a couple gals on Etsy that I buy fibers from. Oh my gosh, I love this, the gold. And then this bag has, look at the orange and the fall colors. So I am gonna put some of this on here. Starting to feel like fall here. Even in the desert, it was 74 degrees out on our front porch this morning. Okay, so enough talking and let me get to work here. So I'm currently working on 2 journals right now. This one is 12 by 10, and it's going to have 2 signatures. It's going to have over 90 pages. I think I figured it was 100 something. And I wanted this one to be kind of like a field study, because this fabric has, plants and animals and nests and feathers and sorry, I have a little runny nose this morning. So something that I like to do, because I do I do get absent-minded here in my old age, is like I want to glue this beautiful digital image onto this page, and if I don't clip it or do something, I'll forget all about it. Now here's another digital image I used, but see, I'm not attaching that to a page. That one is just folded over. Let's see, I think I have some other clips. Yes, here on the back. I want to use this one for a huge pocket on this page. And honestly, if I don't do this, I forget to sew them down. So what I'll have to do is today I'll glue lightly just along the edge there and let it sit overnight, and then tomorrow morning I'll stitch it. I like to use a zigzag. Here's another gorgeous print. I will make a list of the gals that I bought digital prints from lately, because some of them are just, they're so scrumptious. I'm so ready for fall. I think there's about 4 different people I bought digitals from, because I'm not an artist. I can't draw. I wish I could. I do, believe it or not, I have a second cousin who is a professional artist, but I am not. Look at this with the acorns. So I thought the acorns, these colors too, go really, look at that, really well with this journal. This is going to be an absolute stunning journal. Oh, I did put this on the bottom because I wanted it to be real nature-y, I guess. Is that it? Is that a word? And I have this fabric that I was dying to use. So that one I should finish up tomorrow or Saturday. And then this one is pretty much done. All I have to do is sew in the signature. But here, I wanted to show you. See, now, like, here's a big pocket. But see, the colors, I try to match the colors or the theme. I mean, I don't want to use blues and, purples and pinks here. So that goes with that. Let me find another example. Oh, look at this digital. Oh my gosh. Here's the little, he's peeking out. Little rabbit. Oh, and look at this one. Oh, so yummy. that one is there. This one is all done. She has everything. All I have to do, like I said, is just sew in her signatures. I'm just trying to find a couple other, yeah, pockets. There's one. But see, it goes with the theme and the colors. So there's one. Oh, I love that. I love using selvages too. Here's another one, and I found a digital with this little guy. So that's a really nice journal card for that one. Let's see, another pocket. I see something sticking down here. Oh yeah, this is the middle. So again, you know, kind of the fall colors. This one has a couple buttons on it, some lace. But these are really nice big pockets. And what I like to do is, like I said, I like to lightly glue them down to hold them in place, let them sit overnight, and then sew them on the next morning. That one I didn't sew on. I didn't sew this one on either. My problem is that if I stitch it, see the zigzag, and then I have to stitch it again, sometimes it looks kind of funky. So these two I'm not going to stitch over because this stitching is very plain and you can readily see it. So I think those two are fine. And you know what? These don't come off. I used the art glitter glue and they stay on. This one this is a salvage with the numbers. And I did just do a plain stitch there because I did have this one on the back. I can feel another one here. Yeah, here's another one I made. And again, this one I just did a plain stitch here. I think I have, I can feel one more. This one is huge. It takes up half the page, but you can put a lot of things in there. Oh, and this one on the back, this one even has a pocket, and I did it especially so that you can, I put a pen in here and the pen just fits. So there's a little, you can see there's a little uptation, not indentation. There's a little poofiness there for the pen. So this one will come with a pen. So let's look now at how I do these. So I try to keep my theme and colors that I want to use in mind. And then I just take a piece of muslin and I like to tear it because see, I like that rough edge on the top and bottom. And then I go through and I glue the pieces down. And then when they're glued, like this one, see this one I cut off another one. So I need to stitch up this edge and I need to stitch up this edge. My only warning is that if you do have buttons, put them on when you're all done, not like me. Don't do what I do. Do what I say, because this is going to be hard. I'm going to have to start up here. This is going to be hard for my sewing machine. See, it would run into that button. So just keep that in mind. Do as I say, not as I do. So this one's ready to go. And then this one is ready to stitch down the pieces. And I like to use a zigzag stitch. And then I do want to put some of these real colorful fibers on. So again, both of these I probably won't stitch until tomorrow morning. Then I like to pull out my fabrics. So I have a little pile here. Look at that one. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? And this is from Heather. Thank you, Heather. Yes, I have threads all over. Now look at that one. Oh, isn't that adorable? I love that. I also use the sunflower one. Sunflower and zinnias. And then this one has little leaves. And then this is a real pretty sunflower one. I have boxes of fabric. I'm just now digging through my fall ones, trying to get some out. Here's one that's done. But see, now look, see that button that I already sewed on? See, I cut this off another one. I'm not going to be able to get my sewing machine there, so I might just stitch that by hand. And then this little button, but I can stitch up there. Oh, here's some more of that real pretty fabric. Oh, I have another one. There's a little pocket. There's a little pocket. That one I've already stitched. This one is ready to go in a journal. This one's ready to go in a journal. You can buy these leaves on Amazon. In fact, I just ordered another set because I realized I'm down to my last spool of them. And then here's a huge one. Let's see this one. Let's see how wide this one is. Oh, this one is, ooh, almost 8 inches wide. So I don't know. I may have to cut this one in half. See, I don't want to cut my little, that's a little Artie Maze, I think. Ticket. It's part of a ticket. But see, there's that gold eyelash trim. There's some lace. And there's a little bit of lace. Here's one of the fibers. See, I love those. So those are pretty much done. Oh, I just want to mention that over on my Etsy shop, which is Deserts and Beyond, I'll put a link in the description and in the comments. I am going to start running an August sale starting Monday the 15th of August through September 7th. So it'll be now through Labor Day and a little bit after that. So if you want to see any of these in my shop, do come on over and take a look. So I hope that helped you. If you have any questions or comments, please do leave them below. I love to hear from people. So I hope that gave you some ideas on what to do with your journals and your scraps. Oh, just to show you, this is the cotton muslin that I bought. I think it's like $4.99 at Joann's. And like I said, I like to cut it about 4 or 5 inches wide. So I make a cut and then I just tear down the, I just tear it. So I get those uneven edges. See, this edge I've cut. But I love the uneven ones. So this is relatively inexpensive. Like I said, it's only like $4.99 a yard. Sometimes I think it's even $3.99 on sale. So that's what I use for my backing. You can see that one I had to hand stitch because it's by a button or something. For some reason I hand stitched it. But that's the back. And then this is the front. So go out, enjoy, try it. Let me know if you have any questions. And until next time, bye for now.